Buongiorno ragazzi from Verona and Lago di Como. If we've never met before, ciao, sono Katie, vivo in Italia, a Trani, in Puglia. I'm on a trip right now with my family. Facciamo un giro in Italia. It's so fun to see the different parts of Italy. You know, I've become so accustomed to southern Italy, and right now we're on Lake Como. I am able to do all of these videos all around Italy thanks to my Patreon community, the Quirky Club. Y'all are awesome. Thank you so much. If you guys like the work I do, please consider joining. We have a lot of fun. We have monthly live chats for pizza night. They get monthly recipes, behind the scenes videos, and we have a good time. I'm leaving a link in the description box below. And in the meantime, let's go to Bellagio. So we're walking to the ferry, and in most public transportation, Kiro has to wear a muzzle. But we checked out the rules for this ferry, and it seems like it's at the captain's discretion. So we have a muzzle, it's in the backpack, and if we're asked to put it on Kiro, we will, although Kiro won't appreciate it. So there are a couple of different ferries that go to some of the cities around this area. Some are so big you can bring a car on it. Some are a little smaller, and it's really just for passengers and dogs. So we checked out the timetable for the ferry online, decided on the 10:25 ferry. Connor got the tickets.
There's a couple of towns in the center that you can pass freely with this all-day pass. So the main ones are Bellagio, Verona, and Bellagio.
How much is it for that to pop around?
It's €15 per person.
And how much would it be if we just went to Bellagio and back?
$7.50.
So it's about double, but it's well worth it.
And it's an all-day pass, so we can just hop around Lake Como today.
Note to self, if you visit Lake Como, dress in layers because it's chilly when the sun's down in the evenings and in the morning, and then when the sun comes out, it's downright hot. So is Kiro in for a surprise?
Yeah, they said he has to wear the muzzle.
Oh no. Andiamo, Kiro! Bravo! Bravo! All right, so we're starting the day with a little cappuccino, cornetto, like some pastry stuff. And we're kind of wanting to get a feel for Bellagio. We're thinking we're gonna start the day with a hike while it's still a little crisp outside, then come back in, check out some of the shops, the shopping, and maybe have lunch.
We'll have no trouble making a day of it.
I mean, you live in interesting times.
Cheers.
Two interesting times. Doing it. There's like a whole donkey family. This is way more rural than I anticipated. It's really cool. GPS and this map map. We're not on the path that we thought we were on.
There's Bellagio. We walked down, and we walked down here. That was a little bit of a guessing game, but we made it here. Worked our way here. Thought we turned here, but in fact we came down here and we're right here, I believe. So if we go just a little bit further, we should find the #1 trail and make it back to Bellagio.
We did it! We made it to signage, and now a clear indication we want to go this way, back towards Bellagio and lunch. High five. Although it's not too late to get lost again, but let's go. Look at this view. This is so beautiful.
We earned it.
Yeah, we did. Although after lunch, our Bellagio adventure is not completed because my mom and I really wanted to check out these cute shops all around Bellagio. Did a little scoping, a little shopping. You know, there's everything from like cute knickknacks and beautiful platters to shoe shops and, you know, tapestry, like rugs. So we got some good stuff, had fun looking, and now it's time to take the ferry back and cap off this beautiful day in Bellagio. All right, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Stick around for my next video where we rent a boat and explore Lago di Como. Sign up for my Patreon community, the Quirky Club, and of course, don't forget to keep it quirky.